Hi everyone! Today I'm taking you to somewhere magical, a place where palaces meet peacocks, where planets look like they're from another planet and animals, they're just everywhere. So, welcome to Wilhelma, Stuttgart Zoo and Botanical Garden. Let's go together! Did you know this was once a king's private garden? Back in the 18th, King William I said, "Let's build something beautiful," and voila! Today, 10,000 animals and 5,000 plants. This is not just a zoo, this is a royal dream that grows wild. I feel like I just stepped into a dream. Look at these palms, older than most people I know. Wow, guys, look at this beautiful animal. I stand right now in front of the cheetahs. Look at this yellow fur with those black spots. So cool. The cheetahs looks very slim and has long legs. Most of the time they are alone, but sometimes brothers stay together. And did you know a female cheetah can have up to 5 babies? That's so interesting. This tree were planted over 150 years ago. They were seen wars, peace, love, storms. I feel so small and so calm. Sometimes nature says more by saying nothing. Now behind me you can see a real lion. Wow, he looks so powerful and proud, like a real king. And fun fact, a long time ago, lions lived not only in Africa, but also in Europe and Asia. People always saw them as symbols of power. And most lions live in Africa in groups called prides. But seeing one so close here is something really special. Right now behind me is scarlet ibis, and look at this beautiful red color! They are so colorful and so bright. And fun fact, the people believe that these birds brings good luck because of this special color. Look at this! Wow, he's so beautiful and big! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey! Oh my god! How beautiful! Wilhelma is not just a zoo. It's a garden, a place, a quiet jungle, a place to breathe. So, thank you for walking with me. See you next time and somewhere wild and wonderful. Don't forget to follow me and my fans page.